Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A study has found that eating walnuts with breakfast enhances brain function for several hours. There have been more than 300 limited edition seasonal and regional flavors of Kit Kat chocolate bars produced in Japan since 2000. Gen Z Americans don't have enough money saved to cover a single month of spending. Very few people know that Red Fort was originally white in color. It was painted red by Britishers. Humans generally don't feel their brain moving inside the skull because the brain lacks pain receptors and its movements are typically minimal due to cushioning by cerebrospinal fluid. However, significant movement can occur during trauma. A few months ago, an elderly woman asked a man to walk her home so she would not slip on the ice. Since then, they have become friends and now he walks her home almost every day. Self-made millionaire Harris helped a neighborhood in Florida called Tangelo Park. He gave free daycare and scholarships to students, which lowered crime and increased high school graduation rates from 25% to 100%. Someone made a Nokia 3310 into a hammer to show how strong it is. In Germany, there is a soccer stadium with a 3-mile long beer pipeline that supplies the beverage to visitors. 88% of millionaires in the US are self-made as per Fidelity Investment study. The Cyrus Act of 1867, an Indian law passed during British colonial rule, regulates the operation of public inns and rest houses to ensure proper maintenance and basic amenities for travelers, including access to water and washrooms. The Lord of the Rings: The Return of the King was nominated for 11 Academy Awards and won all of them, making it the largest sweep in Oscars history. In 2022, at 51 years old, Carl went from working as a car mechanic for 25 years to becoming a doctor. Around 1,566 containers fall off ships each year due to strong waves and rough seas. This man's wife loved curling her hair but can't do it anymore because of her age, so he went to a salon to learn how to do it for her. A UK trial of a 4-day work week with 61 companies found that 54 adopted it permanently. Employees maintained productivity while working fewer hours, with some firms seeing revenue grow by 35%. Workers also reported better health, less burnout, and weight loss. Giraffe Manor is a boutique hotel located in Nairobi, Kenya, within a giraffe sanctuary. Guests often experience giraffes poking their heads through the windows in search of treats, especially during breakfast. A black robin named Old Blue has become the mother of her entire species when she was the last fertile female in a group of 5 robins. There are now 250 black robins on the Chatham Islands and have raised their status from critically endangered to endangered. Doing this pose for 5 to 10 minutes a day elongates the lower back, opens up the hips, and most importantly calms down brain activity, allowing you to relax, breathe, and silence the mind. Anger transferent Richard Surgeon, 1954. Monthly cost of living in India. Ideal body weight chart, male in kgs. Ideal body weight chart, female in kgs. When someone apologizes, respond with thank you instead of no problem to reduce repeated behavior. fancy buying something on ETSY, make sure to favorite the item first. Often times sellers give discounts or special promotions to people who favorite the items. It can be an easy way to get 10 to 15% your purchase. Learning a new language, try to find a translation of your favorite book from when you were a kid. Don't tell people your failures. They will always see you as a failure and never give you the opportunity. Top 3 states with the most active companies in 2025. There are a ton of hiccup remedies out there, but recent studies have shown that the level of CO2 in your bloodstream is the key. Therefore, breathing into a plastic bag for about 30 seconds should guarantee your relief. Don't tell people your income or the source of your income. Always make them wonder. When you have a strong feeling that someone is watching you, they most likely are developed long ago as a primal survival skill. Your brain has a gaze detection system that fires an alert whenever it notices someone is staring directly at you or looking a few degrees to your side. So suddenly getting the eerie feeling of being watched could in fact be signal that your subconscious has just caught someone staring you down. How to remove these common stains? Oil, white chalk, deodorant, dryer sheets. Grease, soda, sweat, lemon juice. Blood, hydrogen peroxide, grass, vinegar. Coffee, baking soda, lipstick, rubbing alcohol. Ink, milk, red wine, salt. Makeup, shaving cream, berries, boiling water. Thanks for watching.